Welcome back to another episode of Arc Weekly. We are currently up in Milngavie this week. So we've got two lovely alcove units with quite a lot of floating details, some lighting details and whatnot as well in these units, which is brilliant. So Tommy's in at the minute just getting the cutting list started. It's just gone about 20 past 10, so that's us just starting to cut after discussing everything with the clients. I'm heading up to the garage just to get our router table, and yeah, it just means we can get all the floating and whatnot sorted. So we're up a wee kind of farm track, which is okay, a bit bumpy, but we're getting there. So yeah, I'll get some footage once we're inside of the space and show you all what we're up to. Here we are with the base cabinets and the doors all made up, ready to go on. So here I am, just drilling out the doors and putting the hinges on, ready to hang them. What we're doing in this section of the video is I am currently using the 1/4 inch palm router to put a bull nose on top of the sill for the unit. We have cut out a template for the sides of the sill so they can be scribed into the wall. We will then transfer these onto this piece that I'm currently routering, and then these should fit perfectly into the wall. Back in a minute, we are currently just got the high level of the alcoves in. Currently we're just fitting the lights, so I'll stick on the time lapse and show you of us just getting all the metal track and the wiring for this alcove. That's the first unit wired. As you can see, what we've done is got the LED profiles in here. I've got all my tails over here. These will be connected by the electrician, and then we'll put a faceplate on here and we'll start to get all our scribing pieces done throughout the side. There's going to be a small floated detail at the front here and here, and the same on the other alcove just to match the both of them in. And yeah, making good progress so far. It's currently Wednesday, but hopefully we'll have most of it finished for Thursday, fingers crossed, and then we'll be on to sanding on Friday. Whilst the electrician was wiring up the rest of the unit, Tommy and I used the time on the PRT table to flute the scribe pieces to the left and right hand side of the units. These turned out great, and we'll show you these at the end of the video. It's Friday and we're back on site. Tommy's currently just doing the final wee bits of filling, ready for sun this afternoon. Got a nice wee groove detail within these units, which is lovely. We've got some flutes down the front, and we've got nice lit cupboards internally. Hopefully we'll have all these finished this afternoon. I'm just going to get tidied up and get all the rubbish away down to the wee yard. That's the units finished up and all ready to be painted. As you can see down to the right hand side, we have our nice fluting section similar to the fireplace, along with our bead rebated shelves, which look absolutely great. These are going to look amazing all painted up. We've tried to keep a couple of features similar to the fires the client requested, and we have a few nice details. The covers look great with the lighting detail internally as well. Hope you enjoyed this wee video, and we'll see you in the next one.